Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So I got a question in my comments. I'm going to make videos for people to leave questions in the comments. But I got a question asking, hey, which credit cards only pull Experian? So I'm guessing a lot of times when people only want to get a certain credit bureau pulled for credit cards, it's probably because that credit score is the highest. I always suggest that look and see which one of your credit scores is the highest and try to get credit cards that only pull that credit report. So I'm going to show you guys over 7 different companies that you guys can get and over 30 different credit cards that you guys can actually apply for that will only pull Experian. Now listen, these credit cards is different. Each credit card is different depending on your credit score. But I'll tell you, hey, you're going to need a higher credit score to get this credit card. And then I'll also tell you about the secured ones because some people, if your credit score is really, really low, and I'll say to like a under a 620, you might need to just get a secure credit card just to start off. And then you'll be able to get your money back and it'll graduate hopefully. And then you can get regular credit cards. But let's go right on into these credit cards. If you guys have any questions, make sure you guys drop those questions down below and I'll be sure to answer them for you. So the first credit card company, which is a credit union, is State Department Federal Credit Union. Now, you guys, I did a review on this one before. There's 3 different credit cards that you guys can actually get when it comes down to this company, this credit union. So the first credit card is the premium cash back. You're going to get 2% cash back on your purchases. You're going to get a $200 offer when you sign up for that also. And I really suggest you guys have over at least a 680 or even possibly a 720 credit score to try to get the cash back. And then they have one with just rewards because you have the low interest rate option. And then you guys earn points when you guys have this credit card. But for these 2 credit cards, I do suggest over a 680 or possibly a 720. They're going to pull Experian. And then 2, if your credit score is under that 620 mark, then you may want to just get this secure credit card. But it would be a great way for you to start off and have a credit card. So the next credit card I want to talk to you guys about is credit cards with NASA Federal Credit Union. I did a review on this one before also. There's a lot of different credit cards that you guys can actually get. And I believe they had a pre-qualification during a time. Yeah, so they had the no impact to your credit score where you guys can do a pre-qualification and they'll let you know which credit card you can possibly get approved for. So they got a lot of regular credit cards. Again, I want you to be like over that 680, 720 mark to get these credit cards, but you can go ahead and fill out the check your rate and they can do a pre-qualification for you. And then also they have a secure credit card. If you guys have a credit score under that 620, I want to let you know about like the secure credit cards because that's like the best way for you to go. That's when you got to put the money down and then they'll send you a credit card for that amount, but at least you're starting somewhere and you're building your credit. So I'm so sorry about all the sniffling, you guys. But here's the secure credit card here. So you guys just go ahead and see if you can pre-qualify and they'll let you know exactly what they can pre-qualify you for. And Discover will pull your Experian credit score, your Experian credit scores, Experian credit report. So when it come down to Discover, they have it too where you can check now to see what you're pre-qualified for. And I have to suggest you guys just start there because they'll tell you, hey, we can offer this, this, and that to you. And that'll be a great option instead of you saying, oh, I want to get the cashback credit card. And then you don't get, and then you just apply for that one and then you don't get approved for it because they may even tell you, you know, your credit's so bad that they want you to start off with one of their secure credit cards. So, and here's their secure credit card here. They may tell you to start off with their secure credit card, which I just did a review on their secure credit card. You know, so go ahead and just check now to see if you can actually pre-qualify for any of their credit cards, and they'll let you know exactly which credit card they can pre-qualify you for. But they have one for cash back, student cash back. If you're a student, they have their secure credit card, another student credit card, travel credit card where you can get 1.5 times the miles, which is really good. Gas and restaurants. That gas and restaurants was with the secure one too. You if you guys get a secure credit card, you'll see too, you get 2% back at gas stations. It's kind of like the same thing as like the gas and restaurants credit card. It really is. Only thing is you would get the 0% intro rate for 14 months for the gas and restaurant credit card. But yeah, you guys, they have different ones, even have a business credit card. So go ahead and click check now, see what they can actually pre-approve you for. And let me know if you guys are getting approved for any of the credit cards I'm telling you so far. Now we have Bank of America. Bank of America will pull your Experian credit. They will pull your Experian credit report. I do suggest that you guys have over a 720 credit score. We're trying to get any credit cards with Bank of America, but they have like a lot of different offers right now, like $200 online cash rewards bonus, and then 3% cash back. So you guys will have bonuses when it come down to signing up for these credit cards. So yeah, you guys, Bank of America have quite a few of them, but I just want to show you these different credit cards. They even have like a secure one if you need to start off with secured, because some people just need to start off with secured. So yeah, you guys, they have a secure one, and their secure credit cards can go all the way up to $4,900. Yeah, to $4,900. So that is really good. But yeah, that's their secure credit card. And look how many different credit cards they have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 different credit cards. And if you guys get approved for any of them, definitely let me know. Now, if you guys ever heard of Citi, they have like the double cash card, but Citibank, they have a lot of different credit cards you guys can choose from, and they're going to pull Experian. But if you want to figure out like which one should you get, look at the top. You can get credit cards if you're looking to do like a balance transfer. They have 4 of them that's great for balance transfers. And look, because look at this one right here, the Citi Diamond Preferred card. You're going to get 0% intro APR for 21 months on balance transfers. So if you guys have a credit card that you maxed out and you need to get another credit card, you want to push all of your balance from one of your credit cards is probably maxed out, high interest rate you're paying on it. You want to possibly put it on like a credit card like this one, and you can have 0% intro APR for 21 months and then just pay it off. That would be like perfect. But if you guys need me to go into like balance transfers and things like that, let me know. I definitely will. But these are like the balance transfer credit cards, which is really good, you guys. And each of them have different things. So this is the double cash I was telling you about. But each of them have different things. This one of you will have the 0% intro APR for 18 months. So everyone is different. But definitely figure out which kind of what kind of credit card you want. Balance transfer, rewards. If you want one for travel, for cash back. If you want the low intro APR in general, like just on purchases, they have these here. And then if you want a business credit card, they have the 2 business credit cards here you can apply for. Now, the next credit card I want to talk to you guys about is Credit One Bank. This is like for people that have extremely bad credit. If you have good credit, like don't even mess with them, seriously. But if you have bad credit, you don't want to go the secure credit card route, then you can get a Credit One Bank credit card. And Credit One Bank will usually allow you to get a credit card even a month after your bankruptcy. So if you guys have a low credit score, you need to just get a credit card, then you might just want to go with Credit One Bank. And then the best thing is you can see if you can pre-qualify for it. So if I told you, hey, your credit score is under 620, you need to get a secured credit card. If you want to see if you can pre-qualify for this credit card first, that'll be perfectly fine, because at least you'll have an answer, on what they can actually approve you for. But they'll let you know, in less than 60 seconds, no impact to your credit score. But if you was to accept the offer, they're going to pull your Experian credit report. They're going to pull the actual report. So just to let you guys know about that, they will actually pull your actual credit report. But usually, like I said, too, if you have bad credit, if it's at least over 550, they'll at least, sometimes I see people getting approved for $300, but do the pre-qualification before you just apply for a credit card, because they'll let you know what they can approve you for, or if they can approve you at all. Now, the next company I want to talk to you guys about is a cold store card. So I didn't want to leave those people out that kind of got bad credit and you just need to get a credit card. But if you guys was to get the Kohl's card, they're going to pull your Experian credit report. And if you guys go to credit.kohls.com and then click right here on apply now, you guys can go ahead and apply for this credit card. But again, it's really, if you guys have good credit, you're most likely going to get approved. But for those people that got bad credit and they just need a credit card, this is like a perfect one that you guys can apply for. Now, the last company I want to talk about is the FNB Bank. I did a review on this before, but they're going to pull your Experian credit report. And then the best thing about this one too is that you can just see if you can pre-qualify for any of their credit cards. To me, that's like the best thing, because if they say they can't pre-qualify you, or if they just saying a secure credit card, then you know where you stand with them, and you can just apply for exactly what they're saying you pre-qualify for. And you don't have to worry about applying for it and then they pull your credit report and then you get denied. So yeah, you guys. And they even have a secure credit card, because I did a review on this one too, you guys. They have a secure credit card that will help you, that will help you boost your credit score up even more. But these are all of the credit cards that's going to pull your Experian credit report, you guys. If you guys want me to do a video for you, make sure you drop it down in the comments. I'll make sure I make a video. Just ask a question. Sometimes I'll just make you a video too if it's easier just to make you a video. But thank you guys for watching all the way through. Don't forget, sign up for my $1 credit membership. If you guys have a low credit score, we can help you remove those negative accounts from your credit reports. And it's a $1 trial, you guys. You can just start for just $1 for the first 7 days to see if you can like it. See all the things, the resources that I have in there for you. And if you guys have any questions, don't forget, call or text us at any time at 833-Rickita. Bye-bye. There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car. They can't get a mortgage. They can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership. And it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge-off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repair. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.